Have you ever wondered how you could determine if a power source is AC or DC? That is, if it's given a direct current or an alternating current? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about that. So here we have two circuits that can serve as a polarity tester circuit. And what you really need is two light emitting diodes, two LEDs, that are connected anti-parallel to each other. So in the example on the left, we have a battery connected to those two LEDs. Let's say that the voltage of this battery is 12 volts, or it can be like a 6-volt battery. And we're going to call this point A and point B. Now, current is going to flow from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. And this is conventional current, which is opposite to the direction of electron flow. So current is going to flow from the positive terminal, and it's going to flow to the red light emitting diode. So that diode is going to be on, but the blue diode will be off because current can flow in this direction. LEDs allow current to flow in one direction, not both ways. Now, if we were to reverse the polarity of the battery, as in the case of the second circuit on the right, the positive terminal is now connected to point B, and the negative terminal is connected to point A. So current is going to flow from the positive terminal to point B, and it's going to go through the blue light emitting diode. So that diode is going to be on, while the red LED will be off. Now let's summarize what's happening here. So when dealing with DC current or direct current in this circuit, one of the two LEDs will be on, the other will be off. Now when the current is flowing in the clockwise direction, we can see that the red LED is on. When current is flowing in the counterclockwise direction, the blue LED is on. So this type of circuit can help us distinguish between a DC signal and an AC signal. And if we do get a DC signal, we could determine the direction of the current flow based on which LED is in the active state. Now let's connect the two anti-parallel LEDs to an AC signal source. So let's say we have a 12-volt AC source with a frequency of 60 Hertz. So what's going to happen now? Now, because we're dealing with AC current or alternating current, current can flow in both directions. So during the positive half cycle, let me put that in red. So during the positive half cycle of the sine wave, current is going to flow in this direction. That is in the clockwise direction. And in this case, the red LED will be on, but the blue LED will be off. Now, during the second half of the cycle, that is the negative half of the cycle, the current is going to reverse. It's going to go in the opposite direction. So in this case, the current is going to be flowing in the counterclockwise direction. And as a result, current is going to flow through the blue LED, but not through the red LED. So in this case, the blue LED will be on, and the red LED will be off. Now, because the current reverses 60 times a second based on the frequency of the signal, both LEDs will appear to be on because the signal is reversing direction very, very fast. Thus, we have a way to distinguish between an AC power source and a DC power source. So to review, when an AC power source is connected to this circuit, both LEDs will be on, or at least they will appear to be on. Now, when dealing with a DC current, one LED will be on. If the red LED is on, then that tells us that the current is flowing in the clockwise direction. If the blue LED is on, then the current is flowing in the counterclockwise direction. And so that's it for this video. So now you know how to design a simple AC/DC polarity tester circuit using two LEDs. Thanks for watching.